in the last lectures, we uh, we did means interactions of triangles, and I gave the types of triangles based on the angles and based on the. So again, we will see that based on angles, based on angles, we divided into three types. That is obtuse angle triangle, and next one based on angle, that acute angles, acute angled triangles, and third one right angle triangles, right angle triangle, and based on sides length, based on the side length, again divided into three parts. That is equilateral triangles, equilateral triangles. Next, isosceles triangles, and third one is Gaussian triangles. Okay, so triangle. So, and we discussed about the obtuse angle triangle means minimum one angle must be more than 90 degree, and acute angle triangle, all angles must be lesser than 90 degree. Here, any one angle must be greater than 90 degree. All angles are less than 90 degree, and this is equals to 90 degree. So that all based on the angle 90 degree only. Equilateral triangles means all sides are same. All sides are same. If all sides are same, then we can say that the equilateral triangle. Isosceles triangles mean any two sides. Suppose these two sides are same, and base will be the difference. That is for isosceles triangles. And scalene means all sides are different. We don't have any means fixed means the same length for any sides. They are not matching any side. So all sides are same, different. Then we can say that is a scalene triangles. So let's see what are the next things are there in the triangle. Suppose these things they gave. See, these things they are given. They mention in up to 6th to 7th notebook. जो भी टेक्स्ट बुक होगा तुम्हारा उसमें तुम्हें ये चीजें दिख जाएगा, 5th 6th में दिख जाएगा. But what about the next after that? Yes, they will include start the properties of triangles. Properties of triangle. Suppose some of the all interior angles of triangle equals to 180 degree. That are the one properties are there, and another one one property is what when all angles, interior angles, let it be this 1, 2, 3. So angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 must be 180 degree. Okay. So this is there in that. And next another, if you extend the one line, if one of the side, then they will form one angles. Let it be this angle 4. So angle 1, angle 2, this will be 3, and this will be the 4. So another property is what? Sum of two opposite interior angles. Sum of two. So angle 1 plus angle 2 equals to angle 4. So this is another property of the triangle based on the angle. So they will be give you like that. And suppose they gave you this. This is suppose 75 degree, and this will be suppose 30 degree. What will be this angle? Suppose this mention this x. Then we can go with this formula. Suppose they mention you two angles, this one 5, 50, and this will be the 60 degree, and they will ask you what is the angle of this one. So you will go with this method. Okay, and one more thing they will give you means suppose x. So how you can go means 60 plus 50 plus x, that will be equals to 180 degree, and x equals to nothing but 180 degree, and this comes 60 plus 50 is nothing but 110 degree. So this will go when that will be go another side, you get the subtraction, and you get x equals to 70 degree. So like that you can form, and by using this one we know that sum of x plus 30 sub opposite interior angles equals to exterior angle. This will be the 75 degree. Okay, so x equals to nothing but 75 degree minus this will be 30 degree. So you will get 45 degree. So like that you can get the value of x here. Okay, so this type of things are there in means one more questions they can form here means suppose let it be suppose they mention you in, suppose angle 1, angle 2, and angle 3. Suppose angle 1 and angle 1, angle 2, and angle 3 are in the ratio, ratio. Suppose 2 is to 3 is to 4, that will be this one. 7, 8, 9. And what will be the angles? As we know that if it is a ratio, means suppose how we can define that ratio? Suppose we not started the ratio topic here, but when we will complete our top means this ones, then we will move to our aptitude topics also. Means competitive exam topics like ratios and proportions are there in the 8th class also actually. But these are the topics which is very important in the aptitude exam. Okay, so we will cover after this all syllabus of class 10. Then, so how we can go with? Suppose I am saying 2 by 4 and 5 by 10. Suppose 50 by 100. So if I divide all these angles, means suppose I'm getting the ratio 1 by 2. Here also if I divide means I'll get the ratio 1 by 2. Here also if I divide means I'll get the ratio 1 by 2. Means by seeing this ratio, I can't define ki one means this 1 by 2 is came from which one. Means by seeing this only, I can't say what will be the exact number which is dividing and getting 1 by 2. Suppose 30 by 60 is also there. If I divide means I'll get the 1 by 2. In so many numbers are there, when I'm dividing that numbers, I'm getting 1 by 2 ratio. So how we can get that particular number? Then for getting that numbers, we should to multiply with a certain numbers. Like suppose if I want to get this one, I have to multiply with 2, numerator and denominator. Then I can get 2 by 4 again. If I multiply here with 5, then I'll get that fixed number. If I multiply here with 50, then I will get the exact number. If I multiply here with 30, then I can get this number. That means whatever these multiplying factors, if I know, then I can get the exact number from which I'm getting the ratio 1 by 2. That is very important here. Okay. So because of that actually, whenever the ratio they mention means I don't know the exact, it means what are the numbers, so I can multiply to get the means exact what we know, what we require actually that numbers. Okay, so for that reason actually, whenever the ratios question they are given, so what you have to do, if it is a ratio, then I have to multiply with certain term, that will be the x. X number is there, which I multiply with those numbers, I will get the original numbers, original angles. So that will be this. If I multiply all the numbers with the x, then I can get the original angles of that one. So what we know x next, sum of all interior angles, sum of all interior angles, angle of triangle equal to 180 degree. That we know. Then if I add 2x plus 3x plus 4x, then I can get 180 degree. And 2x plus 5x plus 9x, then we can get 180 degree. So x equals to 180 degree divided by 9, that is nothing but 20 degree. So if I get the multiplying factor, this is 20 degree. If I multiply that ratio with the 20, then I get the exact number. So what will be the angles? First angle is 2 into 20, that is 40 degree. Second will be 3 into 20, that is a 60 degree. And third will be the 4 into 20, we will get the 80 degree. So these are the original numbers. From what we can obtain this ratio, and you can get the answer like that. So whenever we can solve the questions, wherever it is, if it is a number also, if it is the angle also, if it is anything related to the ratios, means we will assume that unknown value, unknown means whatever that term, fixed term, we need to multiply with that numbers to get the original numbers. That we should to know. Okay. So these type of things are there up to 9th classes. If you see the syllabus of 9th classes, and these are there in the triangles. Means this based on the angle sum properties, and sum of two opposite interior angles equals to exterior angles. Okay. So these are there up to 9th classes. If you see the syllabus for the 9th classes, you will get this type of questions are there. And based on lines and angles and those things, that is there in the triangles. Now, day by day, the situations are changing actually. So in our syllabus also means the students, those who are in the 6th classes also, they are getting the knowledge for the plus 10, 9, 10, 11, 12 because of the competitive examination. Understand? So why I'm giving those things, because if you are in the 9th classes and 9th class or 10th classes and you are fully prepared, you are preparing for only the CBSE board, then they, for those students, very hard to get this type of things because you can't get the things at a time. Because if you see the videos of any sessions, means any lecturers, they if they give you the session for the 10th classes, they will talk about the whatever topics are there in the 10th class. But our ambitions means what our aims are there means, if you know the things, when what are the originality of the things. Suppose if I'm saying about the triangles, what are the originality of that triangles means what is the origin of that triangle, from where that things are came, and what are the things changing every years in all the classes. Those things you need to know. Understand? Once you know that things, then you can easily understand means what type of questions you are going to get in the next classes also. Okay, then you can easily predict the questions also. Okay. So now today we are going to discuss about the similar triangles. Similar triangles. Similar triangles, that is important here in similar triangles. What are the similar triangles? Not only the similar. Similar means what? Means same type, same shape. If it is the same shape. Suppose if I'm talking about triangle. If it is suppose if I'm having this type of big triangles and another suppose short triangles, more short triangles, this all look like the same. Suppose I'm saying about the circles. This also all are circles only. So if I compare all the circles, all looks like same only. Understand? The shape of the all circles and the shape of the triangles are same. Understand? Irrespective of their size, irrespective of their length. I don't want whether length are short or small. Means if it is this one is a 10 centimeter length is there, this is 5 centimeter length is there. No worry about that. Means it can be anything, but it must be look like triangles on. Understand? Then we can say that will be the similar triangle. Understand? That we call the similarity of triangles. Means it will be look like triangle. If it is to look like square, if it is look like the quadrilaterals, then similar quadrilaterals, similar triangles, similar circles, we can say like that. Means must have that only one property that must have, that must be the same shape. Same shape. That must be the same shape. Understand? So questions they will give you from this one. Means if it is same shape. So after that, after similarity of triangle means they will give you the congruence of lines. Understand? These are the next topic what we have means congruency of the triangles, and we will see the congruency of triangle in the next lecture. Because see, if I'll give you the everything in a one day, means very hard to remember all the things. Understand? So whatever things we are delivering in a one lecture, just go and practice on that. Once you practice those things, then you will be perfect on that. Understand? So if it is any doubt also you are getting, you can go and check the questions whatever we are updating in our schoolquiz.com. Go and sign up there and solve the questions. So many questions I'm going to give there. So I'm already uploaded there. So go and check the questions and try to solve that one. You'll get the more idea on that. Or else you can take any other book also. Means you get the idea on that. Means whatever I taught today and whatever the things I did. See, solving question is doesn't matter. Means how many questions you are going to solve. The matter is what, how many questions you are going to understand. Understand? Today, suppose I gave you the two types in the triangle. Suppose from the same means property, means same theorem. Suppose angle sum property means what they will give you. Either they will give you in the form of this one. Suppose let it be. Suppose type 1 means direct they will give you type 1 in the sense, suppose directly they will give you the angles. Let it be this one. This is a 50 degree, this will be the 60 degree, and what is this x? This is a type 1 question, means directly they will give you like that. Okay, next type means type 2. Type 2 means what type of question they will give you. Suppose this is a triangles. and this is a 2x plus 20 degree. This is a 3x minus 3x minus suppose 10 degree. This is 4x. This is a x. Suppose 3x plus 5 degree. Okay, that is the plus only. And they ask you to find the angles of that one. Suppose A, B, C. They will ask you to find the angle. So this is a type 2 questions. Means first you have to go with the x. After finding x, then suppose 2x plus 20. We know that the angle sum property x plus 10 degree plus 3x plus 5 degree, and this sum equals to 180 degree. So x plus 2x plus 3x means 6x, 20 plus 10, 30, 30 plus 5, 35. 35 degree is equals to 180 degree. Let it be the, this will be the 10 only. So you will get the answer easy. Okay. So you get the 10, 10, 20 means 40 degree. Okay. So x equals to, you are getting 180 degree minus 40 degree divided by 6. So whatever the x you will get, substitute here in the question. Suppose 2 into some value you are getting 140. 40 in around 6 point 10, 30. Means 50 means suppose that it be, this will be the 60 we have to go. This will be 20, this will be the 20, right? So if you subtract 60 here, means you get 120 divided by 6 means 6 to the 12 means 20 degree you are getting. So for 20 plus 20, so this will give 20 plus 40 plus 20, 60 degree. Here also x plus 20 plus 20 means this will is 40 degree. This is 3x, 3 into 20 plus 20 is equals to 60 plus 20, 80 degree. Means you get this angle 60 degree, this angle 40 degree, and this angle will be 80 degree. So you can do like that. These are contained in the type 2 form. Okay, in the type 3, what type of things they will give? Type 3 means, suppose they will give you the questions in ratio. So whatever, I suppose angle 1, angle 2, and angle 3. They mention you the angle 1 and angle 2 are in the ratio of 2 is to 3. Suppose what will be the angles? So what do you have to? You have to consider x, 1x plus 2x plus 3x. You assume this is the original angle because I am multiplying with the some very fixed numbers from which that angle came. After that, we know the sum of this will be the 180 degree, and 6x equals to 180, and x equals to 180 divided by 6 means 30 degree. So first angle will be 30 degree, second 2x will be the means 60 degree, third angle 3x will be the 90 degree. So like that we can get the angles. So these are the type 3. So this type of questions you will get, means what type of things you are getting here, that is very important. Okay, so once you understand these things in the questions, in the triangles, then you can do easily. Suppose when we solve in the congruency of triangle, that time we will see what are the things we need to keep in our mind. Suppose there are maximum 4 congruency are there, means congruency of triangles, means ASA, SAS, means SSS and RH. Suppose means how we can means how that things are related, means once we define that one, then we can understand, means what type of questions they are going to get from this one. Okay, so we will see in the next lectures regarding the things, means congruency of triangles, and we will cover the similarity of triangle also, because without this very hard to understand the congruency also. So first we will go to the similarity of triangles, and then we will do the things on the congruency. Okay. So till then, please go and sign up there in schoolquiz.com. Solve the questions. So many videos are there in that. Go and see that videos. And if it is any doubt is there in any topic, suppose if you want me to cover that things like that also, so you can give the comment in the comment box. So by seeing those comments, we will prepare the lecture for the lectures, and we will give you the best on any topics. Okay. So our aim is that only, means we need to give you the knowledge, understand. So knowledge is very important for you right now, means how the competitions are going over there, and because of the pandemic, how much studies hamper because of this pandemic. Okay, so we are covering those things, and we want to become be in the middle, means suppose whatever things you need, whatever the things you not getting right now, so we will try to cover here by this video. Okay, So please watching there and try to log in schoolquiz.com, see the videos and do the more and more questions.